Everyone loves a clean countertop overhang, but filling the underside can be expensive, heavy, and slows your whole shop down. Now there's a better way. Mitered is a lightweight, high-density foam board that installs fast, needs no painting, and saves you time and money. Engineered to replace heavy plywood, it eliminates the need for painting, sanding, or even finishing. To make the installation even easier, Mitered comes paired with a simple substrate system chart. This chart cross-references your countertop thickness with your miter thickness to identify the precise shim configuration required for a proper, accurate installation. Today, we're in Florida visiting Naples Stoneworks. We're here to take a closer look, and what you're about to see is a walkthrough from our fabricators as they demonstrate the traditional method using plywood and stone shims and compare this to our innovative new solution, Mitered. Let's take a walk through the standard method. The process begins long before any fabrication takes place. Someone has to leave the shop, drive to the supplier, and pick up sheets of plywood. That's fuel, time, and labor invested before the job even starts. And when those sheets finally arrive, the challenges only increase. Plywood is bulky, heavy, and awkward to maneuver. It takes at least 2 people just to lift a single sheet onto the saw. Then comes cutting, shaping, and dealing with splinters and rough edges. To achieve proper height and alignment under different countertop thicknesses, shops traditionally cut stone remnants into shims. This means using expensive blades and burning through scraps, all to produce your set of shims. Keeping in mind that it took a couple of hours already to gather our required materials, we can finally begin the application process of the standard method. Our fabricator, Ray, is applying an adhesive to the stone, shims, and plywood, but it doesn't end here. Most homeowners prefer their underhang to match their countertop stone. To have that true finished feel, you still must take into account the time for painting, drying, and caulking your plywood. Now, let's jump into the Mitered method. Using the chart from his starter kit, Ray is able to see what size shims he will need for his project. Because the Mitered method is shipped to you pre-cut, smooth, sealed, and ready to go, he can begin the application process immediately. Taking a closer look, you'll notice Ray is using the same adhesive he used in the standard method to bond his foam, shims, and substrate together. Unlike the traditional plywood, this high-density foam resists weathering, moisture, and warping, eliminating yet another headache that fabricators are all too familiar with.
So Ray, 29 years of experience. What would you say is the main points? You mentioned time. How does the mitered save you time compared to the conventional way and method?
Wow, huge difference, no doubt, no questions asked. I mean, it's no brainer to find out. First of all, you have to go to a store and be in the store to get the plywood. Carry the plywood, bring it. And the top of that, you gotta depend on the weather. If it's raining, forget it. You have to wait. So you're gonna bring it, cut it, look for the glue, prepare for it, paint it, wait for the paint to dry before you put it down. If it's cold weather, you have to wait more time. If it's summer, at least the paint is easier, because it's not. But we're talking about between 2 hours and a half to 3 hours from the store to now, but for 5 minutes from Mitered.